Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 corrupt game data. So there is two reasons for that. First one is because you're using mods and something is not right. So what you need to do here is to just open up your VA manager here and install or reinstall your plugins or update them, and then you need to try again. But if you don't use mods, the second thing that could happen to you is basically you have some corrupted game files, GTA game files. And to fix that, if you're playing on Steam, you just need to go to Steam, go to library, go to the game, right click on it, go to properties, and then you need to just go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. It will fix your corrupted files. And if you're playing on Epic Games, let's say, and super similar process to it as well, go to library, then press on the burger menu on your GTA 5, go to options, not options, manage, and go to manage, and then here should be verify files, and it will do basically the same, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.